Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am very excited to be doing the Fluid of Oz collaboration organized by Nathan Linzel from the Fine Art of Distraction. Thank you very much for inviting me again to participate in this. As soon as I got the invitation and heard what the theme was, my very first thought was, oh my gosh, I can do the poppies that Dorothy falls asleep in. I love to make flowers, so that was my very first thought. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to blow out a beautiful poppy from the side view, and I'm going to use a balloon to create the stem on the flower. So I'm going to try not to go too far off. I might go off the edges over here, but I'm going to try not to go off the edge on the top so that I can have those nice ruffled edges. And so let me walk you through my colors. So I have Amsterdam Titanium White as my base coat color. And then for the poppies, I have three colors, or for the poppy, I have three colors. I have Arteza Bordeaux Red, which I was just gifted by Lee and Jeremy from Massey Art Studios when I was there in Dallas visiting them. They gave me some Arteza Bordeaux Red. Thank you very much, boys. And then I also have some this is Folk Art Treasure Gold Fire Opal, which was gifted to me by Mina Villegas. And then I have some Amsterdam Vermilion, which is a really nice orange, which is kind of has a red tone to it. So I think this will make a really good combination. So those are my poppies. I might actually drizzle in some 24 karat gold from Deco Art. We'll see. But I have that handy just in case. And for the stem, I have two different colors. This is a leftover color that I had in on my counter over here. It's definitely got some gold in it, and it's kind of a mossy green color, which I think is really nice. And then I have some permanent green deep from Amsterdam. And like I said, I have some Deco Art 24 karat gold. When I put, there's going to be a lot of negative space here in the bottom. So when I put my base coat color down, I am going to drizzle some of this green and some of this gold into it. So when I blow it out, hopefully it has some interesting motion and colors in the negative space also. So I'm going to put on some music for you, and I will blow out my base coat and we'll get started.
Upside down, and you Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you've been down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, cause I just wanna shout. Don't make me dance to the tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see your shortcomings. You'll be running when I raise the black flag. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising. To the break of dawn. You can't keep me in a cage made of tired ideas. It's rusting out faster by the day. I won't wear your leash, I won't take no deals. I won't stay quiet when there's so much left to say. I'm not buying no rise of suburban life when there's a fire raging just outside our door. You talk about peace on earth and the summer of love while you're sleeping on pills through the war. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is to the break of dawn.
So here are the wet results of my Fluid of Oz Poppy. I hope it doesn't put anybody to sleep like it did Dorothy. There's lots of really good things I like about this. I wish there had been a little more vermilion here. It all kind of stayed in the center. I guess I could have layered that a bit differently, but I love the ruffles. I love the way that it looks like there are separate petals in here. The edges are gorgeous. I love that. These colors worked out perfectly together. I'll be interested to see, at the moment, I can't really see any of the fire opal. So when it dries, hopefully there'll be some sparkle in there. The flower stem part worked out perfectly. That kind of dip and drag creates that little spiraled stem coming down from it. I love that. Really, really nice. And the green and gold in the negative space worked out really well too. So it does provide some interest. It's not just a flat white everywhere. Up here on the outside edge. Yeah, I really like that. I think it's worked out really good. So I've got the gold for the yellow brick road, and I've got the red for the ruby slippers, the green for the Wicked Witch and the Emerald City. Yeah, so there's lots of color inspiration here from the Wizard of Oz. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for the dry results. So here's the dry result. Look how cute this is. I'm super happy. That Bordeaux red dried really dark, which it usually does, and it looks darker on the camera than it does in person. The vermilion, it gives it a great pop of shocking orange. I love that. I love the way all these colors blended together. And look at this part here where I did the balloon dip to create the stem and base of the the flower. I think that turned out amazingly. I'm really happy with that. And I'm really happy with the blowout of the background or the negative space. I think that worked out really well. There's a little too much white right here, I think. I'd do that differently next time, but I'm super happy with this. I hope you like it too. And so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and then follow along on the playlist for the next person in the Fluid of Oz collaboration. Thanks again, Nathan, for inviting me to participate, and I'll see you guys again soon.